Hi, this is Fumichika. Please call me Fumi. I'm a customer support from OpenLM. Today, I would like to talk about the broker browser UI. It has been introduced from the version 21.11 of broker. So I would like to talk about the new feature. Uh, so first of all, so this is my Japanese laptop, and then in a remote location, I have a Linux machine. It's called Linux Fumi OpenM.biz, and then I install the OpenM server, identity service, and broker in that remote machine. Then I'm connecting to that remote machine by VPN. So if I type like 5090, it will access to the broker browser UI. Then you will get the instruction how to access to that remote UI. You need a token to access to that UI. So remotely, you can get the token. Please follow the instructions. So it's a Linux machine, so I will use this command. But I have to replace the local host to the this URL, FQDN. So I will use this command. Please wait. I will connect to the Linux machine. Then type this command. Sorry, but I did it again, and then this is a token. I copy it to here. So I will use this token to access to the browser UI. Yeah. So now I'm seeing the broker browser's UI. So you can add the OpenLM server here. This is already added, but yeah, this is my OpenLM server machine. And then you can add the license manager. And then how it looks like is the same as the broker configuration tool, like command, like executable, like exe file path. And then you can do the data inquiry, execute. Yeah, you can get it. And then you can add vendor, log files, almost the same as the broker configuration tool. And then log level. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, so thank you very much. Bye now.